at a table of polygons, you can go to the drafting tab and select the table or the polygon table or create polygon table. Again, you can give it a name. We'll call it lots. It could be anything. Give it a layer. Select your style, and then again pick a location like the rest of the tables. And then you're going to be able to come down here and edit the label table by picking on the polygons. So if I was to come in and select, using my control key, the polygons, and here you can see the label style and the name format, and once I have those three, I can click add, and you can see those three have been added. It does shade in so you can see which ones you've actually added to the table. If you want to remove, I can pick a table or a lot or a polygon and remove it, and now it leaves the other two there for me.